Hi guys, this is just going to be quick, the directions with the Google Sheets and how to have it do the binomial distribution for you. So I'm just going to follow through these directions given right here. It says click in cell B2. So B2 is right here. And once you click in it, this kind of just lets the computer know this is where you're going to work. Okay. Number 2, you have to type the equal sign, equals, and this one's a little different than Desmos. It's binom, D-I-S-T. Parenthesis. Okay, the first thing it wants to do, for some reason it isn't giving me examples. Let's see. I'll click on it here. Oh, it needs to be all capital. Okay, the first thing we want to click on is 0 days, comma. The next thing that they want is our total N, which is 31 because there's 31 days in the month. The next thing they want is the probability. Well, Juno is 0.18. Notice I'm doing a comma in between these. And then I know this is weird, but you do capital false. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, it suggests autofill. That's kind of nice. Press Control plus Enter. Okay. Control Enter. That's new. So what this is showing, let me just go to Desmos. So we have 31 and 18. All right. So if I go to Desmos and I do 31, like there's 31 days in the month, and there's an 18% chance it's sunny. Okay, and then notice 0 is this 0.0021, 0.0145. Okay, that should be, where are we here? These are those numbers. Okay, and then notice how we get really, really low after 14 days. So let's look at Desmos. See here, after 14 days, how low we're getting. Okay, so most of your data kind of falls from 0 to 10 or 11 days. So again, what we're doing here is putting like all the individual probabilities. Okay, so to repeat that for Seattle, equals dist. Again, we want to click on 0, comma, 31, comma. Now instead of 0.18, we're going to do 0.24, comma, F-A-L-S-E, false. Enter. Okay, now notice some of these digits are huge. You can, okay, what we can do, if you go up here on C, see this back arrow? If you just do that a few times, I really don't think we need 5 million decimals. Let's do that. 3 decimals looks good. So then there's Seattle. Okay, hopefully that helps. And then you're going to repeat for all the different cities.